Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about something important that can set the tone for your entire day. That is your school morning routine. Having a simple, smooth, stress-free morning can make a huge difference. A chaotic morning like hitting snooze button a million times, rushing around like crazy person, forgetting things. Not very fun. But with a few simple steps, you can transform your morning into something chill, productive, and even a little bit fun. So grab your snacks, get cozy, dive to the video. Okay, first thing is wake up 1.5 hours before you leave for school, so you have enough time to get ready. Nourishing yourself, no skipping breakfast, no oops, I forgot my homework drama. I know girls, the snooze button is so tempting. But trust me, those extra 5-10 minutes of broken sleep actually make you feel more tired. Try to set your alarm for the time you actually need to get up. Magic tricks, put your alarm clock or phone across the room. That way, you literally get off the bed to turn it off. It is a game changer. After wake up, make your bed quietly. It takes a few minutes, so don't be lazy. Making bed after wake up is the first task you accomplished of the day. When you come home, after a busy and hectic day, you feel very satisfied after seeing you bed clean and ready for sleep. Once you're out of the bed, your body is probably pretty dehydrated after sleeping for hours. So, the first thing to do is grab a big glass of water. It helps wake up your body and your brain. You can add a squeeze of lemon or a few slices of cucumber if you want to make it feels a bit fancy. Cool, relaxing, hydrating. After welcome the morning light, it's time to awaken your body. Do a gentle stretching, try a quick yoga, or take a walk in nature. Take some deep breaths for some time. It helps you to face the whole stressful school day. Meditate also helps to reduce your tension and confusion. That way, you can easily find all your solution without freaking yourself out over stupid problems or people's. You can try easy squats while brushing your teeth. Any movement is better than none. So get creative and have fun. Next, it's time for a quick refresh. So grab your towel and go to the washroom. Splash some cold water on face to wake yourself completely. Cold water also reduced face puffiness and give you a ready-to-go look. Oral hygiene is non-negotiable. No one wants stinky breath anyway. After cold water facial, quickly brush your teeth, clean your tongue too, and don't forget to floss. Quick skincare. 1. Cleanse your face with gentle face wash, according to your skin type. 2. Use toner for balance your skin. Rose water/rice water toner is the best. 3. Apply simple moisturizer. 4. Lip balm. 5. Don't forget to apply sunscreen. Is very important. Now you're ready to go. Sunscreen is very important for your skin, no matter you are going out in the sun, or you living inside the room, or even a cloudy day. Remember, a good skincare in your teen set you up for healthy skin later on. Here is a huge time saver. Pick your school outfit the night before. Seriously, this saves you a lot of time, and you are able to get ready very well in the morning without any tension and rush. No more staring blankly into your closet for 15 minutes. Just grab what you laid out, get dressed, and you are ready to go. It's all about making your morning as smooth as possible. Okay, this is probably the most important step for having energy for all the day. Your morning breakfast. Don't even skip it, even you are running late. Your brain and body need fuel to function, especially when you're going to spend your entire day in school. Make simple breakfasts like avocado peanut butter toast, omelette, pancake, sandwich. Or you can eat overnight soaked oatmeal with fruits, by your choice, and yogurt. A simple and healthy breakfast for a busy morning. It's a powerful breakfast that provides you strength and energy for whole day. After your healthy breakfast, do a quick bag check, all your school essential, like books according to class schedule, lunchbox, phone, keys, water bottle, homework, emergency kit, money, etc. It takes just a minute, but it can save you from embarrassing yourself in front of your classmates. Before leaving for school, take a few minutes for yourself. Check yourself in front of the mirror. Smile and say positive affirmations to build your confidence. It can make big difference in your daily life. You can listen music to calm yourself down, or you can sit quietly for a moment and think about your days. It is about giving yourself a moment of calmness before the busy, tiring school days start. That's all for today, girls. Having an easy, energetic school morning routine really helps to reduce stress and make you feel prepared for whatever the day threw at you. Thanks for watching, girly. See you in the next video, and do not forget to like, subscribe, share,